Hey team, and welcome back to my channel. If you have just arrived and you didn't see my last video, we're moving house soon, so even though I just finished a declutter process linked here somewhere, we're about to start packing and decluttering again in order to move. So today I want to try and get done the spare room, and then likely in this vlog too, but I'll save it for doing another day, will be the kitchen. So I'm just going to show you what we're dealing with so far. Oh, also, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. This channel is all about productive and purposeful living, minimalism, all that fun stuff. It's mostly just about like living your life with direction. So, in order to get to simplifying my life, we are decluttering almost all of this month. I'm going to show you what the before looks like, and then we'll get to it. This is the spare room. So as you can see, there's just stuff all over the joint. It's pretty dark in my house, so I have an extra light just for brightness. So I'm gonna try and pack what things are to be packed, at least put into a corner stuff I need to think about decluttering. So maybe get some stuff packed and then some stuff organized is the dream, so this space doesn't look as terrible. This is today's task. Let's go. Okay, it is technically day 2 of this because yesterday my dog wanted to attack the vacuum cleaner, so I couldn't really get anything else done. Otherwise he would have ripped it apart. So he's at the vet today, which means I can get the rest of this room done, and then we'll move on to the kitchen. So let's get cracking. Okay, I have somewhat divided corners of the room. So vase is the corner that's going to be keeping and moving with us. That corner is going to be where the piano stool is going to be selling. Up shop and rubbish are going to go in this corner, but it will need a little bit more organizing because the pillows and the chair are staying, and so is the whiteboard and stuff. I need to put them in corners. But next I'm actually going to tackle my makeup desk. Because that's going to be sold because I don't have room for it in the new place. So let's organize this guy. Alright, this room is organized. Probably seems messier, but it's actually much more organized. Much more organized, even if it doesn't seem like it. Way better. We have the corner of things that are moving. The corner of things that are selling. Apart from this, because it was too heavy to move and we have to move it out this door if it gets sold anyway. So I was like, meh. These are things that are getting charged to see if they work to sell later. We have a corner of going to the op shop, and a corner of we need to sort through to figure out which corner it belongs in. So some of this stuff is Alex's, some of this stuff is just like paperwork that I've put into boxes to see what's what. So that's still to be done. Okay, we have moved on to the kitchen. Now, even though this whole wall is pretty well glassed, the kitchen can get real dark at this time of day. So I'm gonna adjust the light and camera as much as I can. The light may be in the shot some of the time, just so you can see what I'm doing. But pretty much, we did a decent declutter of the kitchen not too long ago. But in the new space, in the new home, there is much less like storage throughout the apartment. So a lot of the storage will need to go into kitchen storage. So what we're gonna try and do is clear out at least one spare shelf in the pantry and then just go through the rest of our cupboards and figure out the stuff that we have in there that actually we're very unlikely to need/use. So I'm gonna do that. Alright, so I've gone through cupboards and found a fair bit of stuff, but I get the feeling a lot of it's gonna go back into the cupboard once Alex has a look. But here's what the cupboards look like. Ooh, empty. So I figured we could go down in mugs because we can use the bottom parts of our keep cups as mugs. In this one, all we have is some candles, which I keep because of blackout, just in case, otherwise that cupboard's empty. Some water bottles and glasses. Probably would be looking to replace all of our glasses, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Plates and bowls, regular cooking things, and then some cooking stuff and appliances. So they're actually pretty empty, which is great. That's what I wanted. And then this is the potential decluttering stuff. But again, almost all of this needs to be checked over by Alex because some of it belonged to his grandmother. We never use, but I know he likes it. His cookbooks. I expect a bunch of these to go back into cupboards, but for now, that's not too bad a result. So lucky last thing is to send this to Alex and get him to pick this stuff that he wants to keep/get rid of, and then put those things back in cupboards, and then we'll see where we're at. Okay, so it is another new day because I forgot to do this update, and when I was editing the video I was like, oh, I never finished it. So it's a rainy day, hence the crazy lighting again, because I feel like all of this video is me saying that it's dark in my house. It's dark in this house, but in the new house it should be brighter and better. Anyway, neither here nor there. Okay, so Alex got back to me about what stuff he wants to keep and what stuff to go, and it's not that bad. So, out of our wonderful pile of stuff, of which there is much, we are still getting rid of everything from this crockery line this way. In fact, he added some things. He added these two glasses. So the only things going back into cupboard is cups and this, which is awesome. So, that is the kitchen and the spare room tackled. I don't know what, honestly, the next day is gonna be. It's probably going to be, actually lies, this weekend. So it's Friday when this video ends. And then this weekend, Alex and I are gonna start doing like some general whole house decluttering. Like, what stuff in each room can we get rid of, and then maybe even start packing. So that's probably what the next video is going to be, is whatever this weekend worth of packing is. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out and coming on this crazy we bought a house so we're moving journey with us. Adulting is crazy. Yeah, I'm so thankful to have you guys as part of the team, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers for hanging out. Peace.